is the camera. This is what it looks like on the outside. So let's open it. So as I open it, the first thing I see is a 32GB SanDisk memory card. It's finally out. So it also comes with this Rode mic because I got the creator kit. This is the camera, my Canon EOS M50. Oh my god, I can't wait. I literally cannot wait. So the first thing that I see on the box is this warranty. Yeah, limited warranty. So this is the manual, and it also comes with a camera strap. Okay, so this is the body of the camera. Comes in this bubble wrap bag. This camera is literally smaller than my palm, and I like that about it. Can basically fit into my purse. Okay, so the reason why I chose this camera is because it is dual autofocus. It is just perfect for my situation as a YouTuber because I mainly create beauty content and I wanted to have that autofocus, as well as, you know, the quality, the picture quality with Canon cameras is exceptional, and that's another reason why I chose this camera. It is just all in all the perfect beginner YouTuber camera, and the fact that the lenses can be changed, that's a big plus, because if I want I can always get an adapter and add new lens to it, because this comes with the kit lens, as you can see, and that's a 15 to 45 mm. Yeah, it clicked a while ago, but I don't know if I got it on camera, but yeah. And when I realized when I'm opening the screen, I have to push this thing down, then I open it, so I can vlog if I want and I can see myself. Yeah, then let's just put that back in. So I am basically going to charge the battery, and this is the charger. So I'll basically just flip this out and put the battery in it. I am going to definitely get a replacement battery in the future, because I know that based on research, I know that the battery lasts, I think, half an hour, 30 minutes. So I am just going to charge this and come back. As you guys can see, that's all that came in the box. So I'm gonna charge this, come back and show you guys what it's looking like. I know it's working. Okay, so this is what I keep looking at the flip out screen, but because I'm seeing myself, and this is like so great for me. But this is what the lens, the camera is looking like straight out of auto. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't changed the settings or anything. This is just straight out of the camera. This is what it's looking like, and I'm shooting at 45mm because, you know, yeah. And this is my usual background and everything. I'm just using two lights. This is my two soft boxes. So this is what it looks like straight out of the camera. So let's just move on to audio. The audio now is basically what I'm using straight out of the camera. I haven't done anything to the settings or anything at all. So what I'm going to do is, I already took the Rode mic out of the packaging, so I'm just going to test the audio with the microphone to see what that sounds like. I won't be seeing what it's I won't be hearing what it sounds like until post-production. So let's go. What I also like about this is that you can see on the screen where it's showing you how long you have been recording for. Oh, by the way, I've already switched out the mics, so let me just get my phone camera. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about, where you can see where it's showing you that I've already been recording for 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes, and I actually like that about it. As you can see, the Rode mic is also on it. I apologize for the lighting. I am recording in the middle of the night, so that's why, but that's what I was talking about. So I haven't done anything, I haven't changed the setting or anything, so I am going to test out the autofocus. Let's see if I have something that it can focus on. Okay, so I have this I'll control primer right here, so I'm just going to put it in the lens. Wow, the autofocus is quick. I love that. And I haven't changed the autofocus either. I haven't touched anything on the camera in terms of settings. That's just my quick review, first impression of this camera. Like, I may go more detailed in terms of review. I don't know, but if you guys want that, you can definitely go ahead and comment that down in the comment section. But as you guys can see, this is what I'm looking like straight out of my Canon camera M50. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Ollie. Go and make up yourself.